Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to import search engines in Chrome on your PC. By importing your preferred search engines, you can enhance your browsing experience and have quick access to the search tools you love. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. At the top right, click on the three dots icon, then select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, click on You and Google. Step 4. Now, click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. Step 5. Click on the box next to Search Engines to turn it blue. Step 6. Next, click on Import. Step 7. Once the import process is complete, click Done. And that's it. You have successfully imported your preferred search engines in Chrome on your PC. Now you can enjoy a personalized browsing experience with quick access to your favorite search tools. It's a great way to save time and streamline your online searches. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy browsing!